Basta kaya to?
Ganaan na to.
Wala iba.
Round 1. Wow.
Oh, nimalo siya. Ulit-ulit. Kana oh. Di ka katindog.
What's up everyone? I'm back with another video and today guys mag-unbox tayo ng nag-uubusang stocks online ang PlayStation. Alright. So dumating na po yung PS5 guys. Ngayon lang yung araw na to. So mag-unbox tayo. Sa box na to may quick start guide, charger, and then yung controller. And pinakahihintay natin. Na-load siya pegi. Ugaw-ugawan din niya ba? She did the painting in her PS5. All this. So sa box guys, ang laman ng isang package is itong controller,
Console.
charging cable, tsaka console. So yan ang laman ng isang package, tsaka quick start guide. Yun lang. Tapos pwede na kayong mag-add-on ng controller kung gusto niyo. Mga nasa 100 plus ang isang controller.
Ano po din, ilan ang gula?
Ito ang controller guys.
Ay, hulog. Okay. Nice po na siguro. Wala na space. Nice po pa yata.
Dali na lang siya inyan, no? Ayaw mandira.
Smooth na po ang core.
Tapos dalawang USB port yung sa internet, and then ito yung sa power. This one is HDMI.
Kanisa.
Ito yung mga ano hub sa kabilang side. I think ito yung ano, ito yung power button, tapos ito yung ano, play, pause. Tapos ito yung ano, disc. Ay, taga.
Sige lang. Afford na rin mo po rin.
Afford lagi ang problema man
Wala
kay.
ka yan kung ikaw
Ang
makakubay
problema
yan.
man kay kuan. Isuod ni man siya daan diri sa likod. Like that. Then, imo na siyang imo kung inana. Yeah. Okay.
So to turn on guys, this is the button.
Ano nagkaligo iyan? Pero sa senta. Ang ano? Sound system.
All right.
Gore.
Gorgeous. Ang lights.
Volume please.
Volume daw. Tapos ang isa ka game sa PS5 kaya tag 100 ka ano. Oo. Ano na guys na nagabalik yan. Swap.
Hide password off.
Done.
Password. OK. Connecting to the access point. Circle button. Cancel.
So di na kapoy mag-instruct.
Adjust
Kasi
display
PS5 na
area.
mismo.
The circles should fill the screen without showing black borders. If the circles are cut off or you see black borders, press the up and down buttons to adjust the display area.
Okay na ne?
Select. Adjust HDR 1 out of 3. Adjust your PS5's HDR, high dynamic range, setting to optimize the video quality of your games. The simple is barely. Adjust HDR 2 out of 3. Adjust HDR 3 out of 3. Insert a game disc. If you have a game disc, insert it now and we'll install it while you continue. Button. Press PlayStation 5 System Software License Agreement. I agree. Selected. Confirm. Update the system software update. Press cross to select.
Way
System
hago sa
software
vlog.
update.
Siya na ang nagkuha.
Downloading the update file. 8.26 megabytes / 868.3 megabytes. 33 minutes left. To get started while you're waiting, access this website on your smartphone by scanning the code or entering the URL below. https://www.playstatation.com.
Ang atong i-search yan kanang paano mahimog controller ang phone.
Create an account for PlayStation
Ay, app
Network.
ya.
Get
No,
PlayStation
pwede
app for
lagi.
easier sign-in.
Kaya katong just, magpalit ko katong Just Dance kay phone lang man ang
Phone
ano.
gun.
Ha?
Ako sa mga nila
PS4 man.
4 pa.
Guys,
Basta mas line B.
Press the PS button on your controller.
PS button.
Sign in. Sign in manually.
oy, sign in.
Sign in ID email address. Input field.
Create na ka.
Press the cross button to select. To move, press the up and down buttons. Choose a privacy profile that fits how you like to play online. Press cross to select.
Team player.
Privacy, team player. Allies and rivals can see your gaming history. Raw. Secure your account.
Official
You'll stay signed into PlayStation Network on this PS5 OS. Two-step verification. Protect your account with an extra layer of security. Add mobile number. If you forget your password, we'll send a verification code to your mobile number, so you can access your account. Family on PlayStation. Set up a family. Download media apps. To move, press the up, down, left and right buttons. Setup is complete. Welcome to your PlayStation 5.
NFS.
Play, media, check, remote play, need for speed hit. Home for cat hand. Play.
What's the tea, Richie?
There's some real speed in this race, Anna.
You know I'm gonna bring it. This is the beat we're going for here. Come on, guys. This is ours.
si Deborah. Lagi mo gana. Sayaw. Look. All kuya, wawa. Ano ah? Ano sa kaya to? Ganaan ano to?
That's my best friend.